In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade a load frame. Start by extracting all to the desktop. Once the extract all command is complete, it should open the folder. If not, the folder can be found here on the desktop. Start by running the rad installer. Click yes. Click next. Accept the agreement. Next again. And click finish. If prompted, restart your system. Once your system is restarted, start the rad utility. Once the rad utility opens, it should identify your frame. This is the frame it's found here. Now you need to point it to the target image file that you want to put on the frame. To do that, click Settings, navigate to the desktop, and open the folder that we extracted earlier. Now you can see the image, and we're going to deploy it to the frame. The password is Cortest, C-O-R-T-E-S-T, all lowercase. This may take some time. Click Deploy Image to listed targets. Once you see deployment complete, you can click Close. The target may disappear while it reboots. You can exit the application now. Reopen the folder that we extracted before. And go into LFC installer, volume, and then run the install.exe. Click Next, Next, and then Finish. Navigate back to the LFC Review Tool Installer, and double-click Install on that as well. Click Finish. Navigate to your C drive, to the Cortest folder, right-click the LFC Review Tool.exe, show more options if you're using Windows 11. Otherwise, go to Send to Desktop. Do the same for LFC.exe. You can now close this file explorer and double-click LFC.exe. It will take a moment for the program to handshake with the frame. Until then, this is the screen you should be seeing. Once the handshake completes, you should be able to see values. Go ahead and refresh the screen, and you should see the live load value. First thing to do on a newly upgraded frame is check your configuration. Make sure you're operating in the units you wish. Make sure these fields have their pre-programmed numbers in them. Know which jack screw you have equipped on your frame. 3-ton being our smallest jack screw, 5-ton being the jack screw that is on most frames, and there are a few frames out there with 10-ton jack screws. Enter the appropriate value in the velocity multiplier. If you're using an ambient vessel or no vessel at all, leave this number 0. If you are using a vessel, please refer to the manual for the proper calculation that you need to perform with the diameter of the pull rod to get the pressure interaction area. Once you've entered all those in, click Save Config. The last thing you need to do before using your frame is go through calibration. At a minimum, the LVDTs must be calibrated prior to upgrading a frame. Pressure as well. If you wish, the load cell calibration can be performed, but since the calibration is part of the load cell, you don't need to do it each time. That concludes this video.